Are you looking for the best food scales for macros? In this video we will look at some of the best food scales on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1, Greater Goods Digital Food Kitchen Scale. It has 4 precision weighing sensors that ensure accuracy within 1 gram or 0.1 ounce. High contrast LCD screen. Scale shuts off and calibrates automatically. It's incredibly sensitive, so it can detect the smallest amounts. It changes the automatic shut-off time from 2 minutes to 5 minutes. This scale is nice and thin, and it's easy to throw in a backpack. It looks great on your counter, stores away easily, and tells you what you need to know to make better meals. Whether you're trying to count macros or perfect your signature cookie recipe, a straightforward design focused around the essentials makes it easy to quickly weigh the ingredients you use every day. This scale can handle up to 11 pounds. It can therefore indicate the measurement results in different units. It's a watch battery. It comes with an extra battery as well. You can't bet the price. Also, very easy to clean with no moving buttons. It is small enough to store away but not too small. Pros: easy to use and maintain, able to measure small amounts. The flat surface makes cleaning a breeze. Great choice for the price. Easy change battery. Cons: it's extremely lightweight and feels cheap. Number 2, Etexity Smart Nutrition Food Scale. This digital kitchen scale from Etexity has a smooth platform made of stainless steel. The latest version of SunCap can add the food manually, which means you can add food without putting on the scale. It measures macros and is perfect for a keto diet. This scale can be used by multiple devices. This nutrition scale can accurately weigh anything between 3 grams to 5,000 grams in measurement increments of 1 gram/0.4 ounces. It features a conveniently large platform yet slim profile design, rounded corners, thick, tapered edges, easily cleaned stainless steel, and it has a large display for showing nutrition info. It also equipped with anti-skid padding and rounded corners. This food scale is also stylish and thoughtfully designed for every kitchen. Due to fingerprint-resistant technology, you can simply wipe it down with a cloth and it's good as new. This smart nutrition scale could help you accurately calculate the amount of the calorie and carbohydrates you have eaten, especially suitable for people like diabetes. Pros: portable and easy to use. Record your intake at any date. It syncs with the fitness app. The screen is sharp and easy to read. Looks super modern. Cons: has trouble weighing out anything under 3 grams. Number 3, Greater Goods Nourish Digital Kitchen Food Scale. No matter what your health goals are, eating well is an important part of getting there. Greater Goods Food Scale provides detailed nutritional information that helps you prepare meals or track macros. This scale is a must for those watching their macros. It has a zero feature that can allow you to calculate your meal. Greater Goods Food Scale is built around quality products made the right way. It comes with a booklet that has codes and you have to type in the item code. It then calculates the nutrients based on the code and the weight. You can also able to turn it on without having to do those annoying repeated taps, presses, etc. We choose this scale because it takes a lot of work out of counting calories, carbs, fat, sodium, etc. It's all displayed the instant you weigh your food. You can track entire meals on this scale, making portion size, or daily calorie, carb intake easy. It is a must-have in your healthy lifestyle and that of your children. Pros: it's easy to weigh larger bowls, amounts of food. There is a lit-up display that is easy to read. It shuts off after a minute of no use. Comes with a 2-year warranty. Well-made product. Cons: there is no app for the codes. Number 4, Inevifit Digital Kitchen Scale. One of the most accurate scales we've tested. Inevifit Digital Kitchen Scale has made it convenient to cook your favorite recipes and portion control your diet by developing their all-new food scale. Taking control of your diet is exactly what you need to reach your goals faster and stay motivated in the long run. This kitchen scale will weigh anything up to 13 pounds in 0.04 ounces increments. That means you will be able to weigh everything you need to get you closer to the summer body you always wanted faster than ever. However, you can also able to turn it on without having to do those annoying repeated taps, presses, etc. Whether you are a fitness professional counting your macros or someone just starting to live a healthier life, you will find that this digital food scale is a great fit for your weighing needs. This digital food scales have been tested and certified so that you can be assured that you are getting a top quality product. The total diameter of the metal platform is 6.25 inches, however, it has a small lip which makes the inner diameter 6 inches and the LCD screen stretches 2.25 inches diagonally. Pros: very basic function, slim design, fits in your drawer nicely, modern backlit display, 90-second auto shut-off, reasonable price. Cons: large bowls and plates can obscure the display. Number 5. Vitamix Perfect Blend Smart Scale and Recipe App. The Vitamix Perfect Blend Smart Scale isn't your typical smart food scale. Rather than list the food along with its nutritional information, the scale walks you through your favorite recipes step by step. You can stick to your nutritional needs by choosing a recipe based on a specific number of calories, servings or ounces. If you could use a bit of help getting started, just scroll through pre-designed meal plans to create specific shopping lists. You'll see nutritional information as you add each ingredient, which allows you to get a better idea of what you're consuming. The scale also has a built-in timer. You can connect the scale to popular fitness apps such as Google Fit and Apple Health. Pros: comes with several pre-designed meal plans. Provides step-by-step instructions for recipes. Automatically scales recipes for servings, calories, etc. Cons: app could be better. Could use more pre-programmed recipes. We have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Thanks for watching.